Hey guys, welcome back to A for Biology YouTube channel. This is the next video of the revision Q&A series. And also there's a very special announcement, so please do watch till the end. This video is about the free immunity Q&A tutorial which you can download using the link in the description. Basically every important point in that section is converted to a question, so you can very easily use this to revise the whole section. Now to the special notice. A group class to cover all the units starting from 5th unit up until the 10th unit will begin very soon. This class is targeted mainly to 2024 A-level batch, so if you have missed those units or need to cover them quickly, you can join with the group class. Details about the class is in the description. You can join the class WhatsApp group for more information. I hope you guys found this helpful. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe and support my channel. See you from the next video.